I love my food. I work so that I can make money and I can eat. If I don't eat, then I'm not happy. Then whatever money I make, then whatever work I do wouldn't give me joy. Really want to do more subjects. I really want to do more serious characters, intense characters, because that's something I feel I get the best kick. But at the same time, I also want to explore comedy because I think that is my core. It comes from here. I really don't have any problem with actors, male actors getting paid more than female actors and all that stuff, because of course they have earned that legacy for years. I can't say like, oh, you paid this person 100 and why are you paying whatever. This is not a debate that you can make. That makes no sense. And in my case, absolutely not, because I've just started out. Other fields also, corporate field also, engineering field also. So that is my only concern and only plot where I can have a conversation about, where I can just maybe have an opinion.
You also revealed somewhere that you used to not talk to him. Why so on the sets?
No, it was like initially there is the chemistry between JP and Uzma, which can't be friendly right from the beginning. So our director Shivam sir was very specific about the fact, let that chemistry grow.
Okay.
Like if I now, because we are meeting for the second time, so there is obviously not any hesitation between us. We can be like, because we know each other, and that shows. I don't believe in starving yourself or suffering. Yes, I'm an actor. My profession demands me to be fit, and I eat very consciously. Not right now.
Which kind of characters has personally touched your heart like that?
Bibbo Jan in Bansali's
Hira Mandi.
Hira Mandi. That would be funny to say, but I really love Tismal Khan with Katrina's character. Work with Shah Rukh sir.
Yeah.
I would really love to work with Ranbir Kapoor, because lately I've heard a lot of good things about his work. Force yourself to do something that you don't want to do. Eventually, at the end of the day, you're working so that you be happy.